For this company to be down, it's pretty critical. This was an advanced Chinese APT actor. Initially, when we got in there, they were still present. And national security was at stake, given that it was defense involved. My name is Ashlie Blanca. I'm a consulting director with Unit 42, part of Palo Alto Networks. This matter was brought to the attention of the organization by way of law enforcement notification. This incident involved an advanced persistent threat that victimized a defense and technology manufacturing company. Unit 42 was brought in to not only assess the scope and impact, but also investigate and create a timeline around what essentially had occurred and if any data had been exfiltrated. Typically with APT, they're going to be going after the crown jewels. They compromised systems originally from the cloud service provider environment and then quickly surveyed the area or the environment and was able to determine that they could get over into the internal network and then focus on those domain controllers, the file servers, everything that's going to have, the keys to the castle. Bringing in threat intelligence was key for success. It gave us certainly a leg up in terms of understanding the habits and patterns of this particular Chinese APT. And so having threat intel in our ear, us feeding indicators to them feeding indicators to us, we were really able to stay ahead of the curve, and we were able to assess the threat much faster and respond much faster. Cortex XDR enables us to be able to contain an incident very quickly. We have the functionality to remediate on demand, to block things on demand, all based off of real-time indicators. Then we also have managed threat hunting as well, and that arm is really focused on all of the telemetry that's coming in and being able to focus on what indicators can we use to move forward, not only for the investigation, but for the eviction as well. Throughout our entire investigation process, we're taking notes, we're bringing the client up to speed verbally, but towards the end, we start to focus on really putting that to paper. Counsel wanted all of the ins and outs to be documented, and so our report featured an executive summary and then detailed findings on the vulnerability that was used, the tactics, techniques, and procedures that were used by the APT threat actor. In stopping this actor, I think in a lot of ways, it took them out of the spotlight. It allowed them to continue business as usual and really lowered the threat to national security. Whether they're large or small companies, this is the worst day of their lives. Helping them through that, calm, collected, having a plan, we can provide that for them. I'm absolutely proud of the work that we do here at Unit 42. We really do have a leg up in the industry to be able to bring that full package to the table as a trusted advisor and a partner for each of these clients that we have.